Brecon Beacons is a mega catchment for water. Around half of the water we supply at Welsh Water every day starts its journey in the Brecon Beacons. In the past, we've managed our drinking water catchments in a very reactive way, and we recognise if we want to be sustainable and ensure that we protect our drinking water resources for future generations, we need to look at a different way of working.
I really like this one, connecting people with each other and with the landscape.
The workshop is great because it brings organisations and people from right across the park together so that they can actually see where their objectives overlap.
I work for the National Park Authority and we've been engaged with Welsh Water from the very early days of this project, and it's a really exciting opportunity for stakeholders to come together and find a way of working that improves water quality.
A mega catchment to me means to be able to deal with all the issues that all these organisations want to deal with in an integrated way.
A lot of the factors that affect water quality operate at a landscape scale, so sheep move between catchment areas, walkers move between catchment areas. The whole of the Brecon Beacons will be affected by climate change. We want to take a landscape scale approach to managing our drinking water so that we can make sure it's sustainable for future generations, but we also recognise the value, the multiple benefits that will come from taking that approach for many other people.
I'm meeting colleagues, we're actually having time to have some conversations together, and we're working collaboratively with one sort of shared idea, shared goal.
Neis I gweld pawb yn dod at ei gilydd ar gyfer pwrpas bwysig, digon o siarad synhwyrol i datblygu rhyw cynllun ar gyfer y dyfodol.
I think the project is a really good idea, a mega catchment, looking at things in their entirety, people, landscape, water, how they're all connected together. I think the bottom line, the biggest challenge will be funding it.
I think probably the most benefit of today is to see the willingness of organisations to work together, and if that can get down to ground level and we can actually get some action going and sort of more action and less talking, that would be really good.
There are some challenges that we're going to have to face over the next 5 to 10 years, but it's going to be much better if we can face those challenges together.
By working together we can maximise how our resources are applied to the landscape.
And what I want out of this workshop is to deliver, to actually be on the ground, send my team, send my people to actually do things for the people of the Brecon Beacons and actually deliver environmental improvements.
We've got a real opportunity to work together to make sure that the Brecon Beacons remain sustainable for all of us, for all of our needs, for future generations.
So what do you think? Are you in?